Hi, my name is Lorraine Watry and welcome to my studio. I am a watercolor artist and I've worked with watercolor for 26 years now, and I thought I would start a new series of videos where I go over different tips, tricks, and techniques for working with watercolor. And hopefully these short videos will help you in your journey, and if you have a question or a technique that you would like to see, please comment below and I will try to accommodate that in a future video. Hi, today's watercolor tip video is going to be a quick tip on how to control paint when you first open a new tube, because sometimes the paint will want to squirt out of the tube and can cause a mess all over everywhere. So what I do is, first of all, I like to have something below the paint tube so that if it squirts out, then I've got something to catch the paint. Sometimes I will go ahead and put it in a palette. I do have a little bit of the same color Parole Orange sitting right here. So, and this is just a little spare palette that I have. You can see my big palette over here off to the side. I don't have Parole Orange on my bigger palette, so for right now I'm just going to put a little in there. And I do not know for sure if I've opened this tube before. I have not. And it did not squirt out except for a tiny bit at the top. So that may be a little hard to see, so I'm going to go ahead and squirt out. Go ahead and push some more up there. And by pushing in at the bottom, I'm pushing that paint up, and so you can see it sitting there. So now if I go ahead and squeeze the outside edges of the bottom of the tube, it will pull that pigment back in. So depending on how full the tube is, you can sometimes get the pigment to pull back into the tube just by squeezing this bottom edge. It doesn't always work with every tube, because depending on how much paint is in there or how much room is down at the bottom of the tube, then it can work better sometimes than others. But that worked pretty well. And so I hope that was helpful. And if you have another experience with getting paint to not squeeze out of your tubes, please write a comment below to share with others, and I will read your comments. If you have a tip, trick, or technique that you would like to see in a future video, please leave a comment below, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.